Hello young learners, welcome back to ZAIN'S Adventures. Today we are going on a super smart adventure called What Do You Need First? We'll explore fun places like the kitchen, the playground, the airport, even the rocket lounge. We'll use our brain power to figure out what we need to do first. Let's go! Chapter 1. Building a house. Let's build a house. You have wood, nails, paint, door, and even a TV. But what do you need first? A. The roof. B. The floor. C. The foundation. Correct! It is the foundation. That's the strong base under the house. Fun fact, some houses are built on sand, some on rock, and even on water using floating platforms. Challenge 1. Can you build a tower using blocks or cups at home? Make sure your base is strong or your tower will fall over. Crash! Chapter 2. Getting dressed to go out. It's cold outside and we're going for a walk. You have socks, boots, a coat, and your superhero cape. What do you need to put first? A. Coat. B. Socks. C. Hat. That's right. Socks first, then your boots, then your warm coat. Fun fact, socks help keep your toes warm and stop your shoes from getting stinky. Challenge 2. When you get dressed tomorrow, try saying the steps out loud like a superhero. First my socks, then my boots, then my cape. Zoom! Chapter 3. Making a sandwich. You're hungry and want to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yum! You have bread, plate, peanut butter, jelly, and a napkin. What do you need first? Choices. A. The jelly. B. The bread. C. The plate. Smart choice. Yay, the plate goes first to keep things clean. Fun fact, the tallest sandwich ever made was over 8 feet tall. Taller than a giraffe's baby. Challenge 3. Can you help make your own snack today? Safely with a grown-up? Remember what comes first. Chapter 4. Going to the airport. Time for a big trip. You're going to fly on an airplane. You have your suitcase, your passport, your headphones, and snacks. What do you need first? Choices. A. Passport. B. Snack. C. Sunglasses. Yay! Your passport. That tells the airport who you are. Fun fact, the first airplane ticket ever sold was in 1914 and it cost only $5. Challenge 4. Can you draw a picture of what you would pack for an airplane trip? What would you bring first? Chapter 5. Going to space. Last one. Let's pretend we are astronauts going to space. You have your space boots, helmet, your lunch, and your rocket ship. What do you need first? Choices. Your helmet, your lunch, or the rocket? That's right, you need your helmet to breathe in space. Fun fact, in space there's no air, so astronauts wear special suits with oxygen tanks. Challenge 5. Can you pretend your bed is a rocket ship? Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa, you did amazing job, young learners. You learned to think, what do I need first? That's called planning, and it makes everything easier and more fun. Next time you play, eat, or get ready, stop and think, what do I need first? Tell a grown-up your answer and see if they agree with you. Thanks for adventuring with me today on Zain's Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next time for more fun and fantastic thinkings. Bye bye, young learners. See you soon.